गर फिरदौसे बरूहे ज़मियस्त हमियस्तु
हमियस्तु
हमियस्त। कश्मीर वो नहीं जो भारत के नक्शे में सबसे ऊपर दिखाया जाता है। कश्मीर इस धरती का स्वर्ग है, वो स्वर्ग जहाँ एक तरफ हिमालय की बर्फीली हवाएं हैं, रंग बिरंगे पुष्पों से सुसज्जित बाग बगीचे हैं, वहीं दूसरी ओर ऊंचे ऊंचे हिंदुकुश के पहाड़ों से अनेक नदियां प्रवाहित होती हैं। ऐसा लगता है कि प्रकृति ने बड़े चाव से कश्मीर के रूप को सजाया संवारा है।
कश्मीर अब मैदान जंग बन चुका है, लेकिन विदेशी आक्रमणकारियों के हमलों से बचने के लिए हमारे देश के सैनिक दिन रात सरहद पर तैनात रहते हैं। They stand there uncomplaining in the scorching sun, chilling winters, extreme drought and disastrous floods. Those Jawans are not simply Naujawans, they are the devoted sons of their motherland.
The army had managed to win hearts within Kashmir.
In this process, we have lost many soldiers who went beyond their call of duty during the time of crisis, but never returned. Think about those soldiers. Think about those families. Can you imagine their pain and distress? Can you fathom their sacrifice? Ladies and gentlemen, one such family is the family of Colonel Vasant Venugopal.
Work before life. These words were scribbled by Colonel Vasant Venugopal on a medal he had received as a member of the National Cadet Corps when he was 20 years old. Who could have imagined that this genial, warm-hearted young man with the highest sense of integrity would one day put these words into action?
Colonel Vasant, a true idealist and a man of peace, was proud to be an officer of the Indian Army till the very end. He was no armchair idealist. He was genuinely motivated by sacrifice. For Vasant, his lifetime commitment was simple, his word and his honor. His personal life always came second. Colonel Vasant Venugopal was the commanding officer of 9 Maratha Light Infantry. On 31st July 2007, he was killed in action while preventing heavily armed infiltrators from crossing the Indian border at Uri, Jammu and Kashmir.
His dedication was something else, beyond his children, beyond his wife, and even beyond himself. कर्नल वसंत वेणुगोपाल ने उत्तम शूरवीरता और अत्यंत बहादुरी का प्रमाण दिया। 9 मराठा लाइट इन्फेंट्री के नेतृत्व में उन्होंने एक काबिल ऑफिसर की तरह अपनी ड्यूटी निभाई। उनकी इसी बहादुरी और काबिलियत को ध्यान में रखते हुए उन्हें अशोक चक्र मरणोपरांत से नवाजा गया। कर्नाटक राज्य में इस अवार्ड को प्राप्त करने वाले वह पहले ऑफिसर थे।
As his wife Subhashini Vasant has said, his time was up. He had done what he was put here to do, and so he went.
Wife of Colonel Vasant refuses to confirm to the society the outdated idea of a grieving widow. Years after his death, she has learned to laugh, lead and launch a foundation called the Vasant Ratna Foundation for Arts,
the proceedings of which goes to the welfare of martyrs' wives. Both husband and wife decided to stage a play showing how an army wife was as courageous as the man on the front.
Subhashini wanted a happy ending, whereas Vasant felt that it was more realistic if the hero died.
On July 31st, Subhashini answered a knock. On the doorstep stood officers from the Bangalore Army Cantonment.
For one bizarre moment, before grief swarmed the senses and overwhelmed conscious thought, she thought, "Oh God, that play I wrote, it is actually about me."
That was a very uncanny coincidence. That was shocking.
Mrs. Subhashini Vasant is one of the leading practitioners of the Pandanallur style of Bharatnatyam, trained under late Guru Narmada in Bangalore. She is also trained in Kathak under Guru Maya Rao at the Natya Institute of Kathak and Choreography.
Apart from having a steady performing career, Subhashini's travel and exposure to the army life with her husband initiated her into passionate propagation of the arts in remote villages and towns.
Martyrdom made Colonel Vasant Venugopal larger than life, but his wife wanted their children to remember him as an ordinary man and a loving father. Subhashini preserved every bit of paper that had her husband's handwriting on it. including 400 letters which he had written to her. The letters became a lifeline of sorts for Subhashini. It also forms the core of a biography titled Forever 40.
She is precise, eloquent, and always in steely control of herself and of her emotions.
The point here is insensitivity. As a martyr's wife, having experienced this yourself, how do you feel about what happened?
My heart just goes out to those families who've experienced this trauma just a few days ago, 2-3 days ago. They should not mistake this as the insensitivity of the people, but it is the insensitivity of the system that is in place.
She is articulate with a quick mind that cuts to the heart of the matter and a voice that speaks with rare eloquence. Ladies and gentlemen, if we had to describe her in one word, that word would be steel. इस गुल और गुलिस्तां को जिन्होंने संभालने और संवारने में कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी, उनके बारे में हम सिर्फ इतना ही कहना चाहेंगे.
हमने नाखो जिंदगी नी आग में आग ने फेरवीशु बाग में सर करीशु सौ मोर्चा मौत ने आवा दो लाग में.